Hello and welcome to my channel. So some of you may have noticed that already subscribed. I have recently changed the name from Gadget Guys Gadgets to Gadget Guys Smart Home. The reason for that is because I constantly get people asking me what my channel is really about. And in my head, while I thought that Gadget Guys Gadgets would accurately explain what I do, it does not. This channel is all about smart home technology. And so I had changed the name to Gadget Guys Smart Home, which better reflects what this channel is really about. My core principle here is to educate and show people the benefits of having a smart home. And there's so many aspects to a smart home. I know it can be very confusing. And so that's one of the things that I want to try to do is eliminate confusion, add some clarity in trying to help you develop your own smart home technologies and processes. I'm also going to be talking about some smart home technologies that can really help some of the elderly. You know, if you have parents or grandparents that need assistance, there's a lot of smart home technologies that can actually aid in that age bracket to make your home much more enjoyable, easier to manage, and really a lot of fun. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I appreciate you guys checking it out, and I appreciate all you guys that have subscribed. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that like and that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.